Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important and common questions people ask, and that is, how much does a new HVAC system cost? If you are planning to install a new air conditioning or heating system, understanding the cost is very important. Many people think they can get a fixed price, but in reality, the cost of an HVAC system depends on many different factors. In this video, I will explain everything in simple and easy language so you can clearly understand how much investment is required and what affects the final price. Let's start with the average cost. A complete HVAC system, which includes heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, can cost anywhere between $5,000 to $12,000 or even more. This is just a general estimate, and the actual price can be higher depending on your requirements. In countries like Pakistan, most people use split air conditioners, and their cost depends on the brand, size, and whether the system is inverter or non-inverter. For large houses or commercial buildings, central HVAC systems are used, and these are much more expensive because they require ductwork and a complex installation process. Now let's understand the main factors that affect the cost of an HVAC system. The first and most important factor is the size of the system, which is measured in tons. A 1-ton air conditioner is suitable for a small room, while a 1.5-ton or 2-ton unit is used for larger areas. If you install a unit that is too small, it will not cool the space properly. And if the unit is too large, it will consume more electricity and turn on and off frequently. That is why correct sizing is very important, and it should always be calculated by a professional technician based on the room size. The second important factor is the efficiency of the system, which is measured using something called SEER, or Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. A system with a higher SEER rating is more efficient. It may cost more at the time of purchase, but it saves a lot of electricity in the long run. On the other hand, a system with a lower SEER rating is cheaper initially, but will increase your monthly electricity bill. In hot cities like Karachi, it is always better to choose inverter air conditioners because they have higher efficiency and provide better performance over time. Another important factor is the type of HVAC system you choose. A ductless split air conditioner is the most common and affordable option. It is easy to install and perfect for single rooms or small spaces. On the other hand, a central HVAC system is much more expensive because it requires ductwork throughout the building. This includes installing air ducts in walls and ceilings, which increases both material and labor costs. There are also hybrid systems that use both electricity and gas, and these systems are more efficient, but come with a higher initial cost. Now let's talk about installation costs, which many people underestimate. The price of the machine itself is only part of the total cost. Professional installation can take a large portion of your budget. If your home does not already have ductwork, installing new ducts can significantly increase the cost, sometimes by thousands of dollars. Electrical work is another factor, as new wiring or circuit breakers may be required. Most importantly, the quality of labor matters a lot. Hiring an untrained or cheap technician can cause serious problems and even damage your system. That is why it is always recommended to invest in skilled and professional installation. Brand and warranty also play an important role in pricing. Premium brands usually cost more, but they offer better performance, durability, and long-term reliability. Budget brands are more affordable and can be suitable for basic needs. Warranty is another important factor to consider. A system with a longer warranty, such as 10 years, gives you more peace of mind compared to a system with a shorter warranty. Even if it costs slightly more at the beginning, It can save you money in the future. There are also some hidden costs that many people forget when planning their budget. For example, removing an old HVAC system is not always free and may require additional charges. In some areas, you may also need permits or approvals before installation, which can add to the total cost. Additionally, if you want to install a smart thermostat, it will increase your initial investment, but it can help you control your system better and save energy in the long run. So, what is the final answer? The truth is, there is no fixed price for an HVAC system. The total cost depends on your home size, system type, efficiency level, installation requirements, and brand choice. Instead of looking for the cheapest option, you should focus on getting the best value. A good quality system may cost more at the beginning, but it will save you money through lower electricity bills and fewer repairs. In the end, remember that an HVAC system is not just an expense, it is a long-term investment. Choosing the right system with proper installation and maintenance will give you comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for many years. Thank you for watching HVAC Official Channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC learning content. I will see you in the next video.